Welcome to the scrapyard, where we've unearthed this incredible yet tragically forgotten 1930s caravan bus. Look at this beast. You can see the original circular headlight and fender. The mechanical mounting here, despite the rust, shows the pre-war construction. This massive double-decker 1930s caravan truck is a fantastic discovery, completely abandoned and untouched for decades, while the wheel assembly shows severe corrosion from decades of exposure. This wall section is incredibly rotten. You can see the missing panels and the exposure to decades of weather. This massive 1930s double-decker caravan bus has been sitting in this scrapyard for decades. Look at this thing. It's unbelievable, isn't it? Decades of neglect right here. This steering wheel, these controls, they're just waiting to come back to life. The transmission linkage is stiff, but the mechanism seems intact. The hinges are barely holding on. Ready to hook up the chains. This is a big moment for the team. All right, hooks are connected. Time to assess the damage. Well, that's our first look at this incredible machine. Next stop, the workshop. Time to rinse. I'm done with this section. Okay. The powertrain is on the stands. We can start disassembly.
Let's do it. Grabbing the tools.
The wood here is completely rotten. We'll need to remove this entire section.
And the steel frame above it is severely oxidized.
See how brittle this wood is? It needs to go.
Got it. Large section on the upper deck.
And this rib here, serious oxidation. Mark it for removal. right, these are the walnut cabinets. Okay.
They look perfect.
Very. This section is really stubborn.
We'll need the heavier tools here.
Agreed, let's get a better grip.
Windshield frame is ready.
Ready with the support when you need it. Got it, looks good, keep sanding.
Perfect. Now let's check the integrity.
All right, this section needs immediate plating.
Confirmed. Marking it now.
Check the cross member too, it's brittle. Keep it steady, there. Just a bit more.
Got it, looks good.
Perfect.
The alignment is critical.
Copy that. Locked in position.
Starting the weld now. Stand clear of the sparks.
Affirmative. The welds look clean now.
Keep holding that position. Good, the seam is perfect. We'll cover this section now.
The cabin looks ready.
Excellent work.
Let's begin the final coating.
The surfaces look perfectly prepared.
Adjusting the pressure, ready to go.
Excellent. Let's make this green.
Just a bit more. Looks perfect.
Ready to apply the color, ma'am.
Go ahead, steady and even.
Excellent coverage, just as expected.
The front axle is engaging the platform.
Easy, keep it steady.
Rear axle settling, suspension responding as expected.
The chassis and body mounts are perfect.
Verified. Checking electrical.
Internal lighting confirmed. The detailing is exceptional.
Brake test complete.
Functioning perfectly.
Verified. Looks good. Verified.
The view is just incredible. It's exactly how we imagined it.